Yo, nigga, move.
What, nigga? Hey, yo, miss me with that.
What are you doing? I know you got no damn handcuffs.
I almost got it. It's right there. Close, motherfucker. Close. Yes. Fuck.
Which pole?
Oh, nah, y'all wildin'.
We gotta find a pole somewhere.
It's easy now because you just have to yank it.
Yeah, I know. And it's actually gonna hurt, so like, it's just gonna be. Oh, fuck. You know what I mean? Probably, you see if it hurts. I mean, like, there we go.
Ow.
Yeah, that's it. OD.
Just take the damn picture.
I can't, bro. It's just ugly. Fuck up, nigga. Sad nigga hours. We all just sit in the car and talk about our problems.
Oh God, man, you ugly ass boy. Nigga, what?
It bopped again.
Stupid ass.
Yo.
Oh, he's stupid.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Man, fuck all y'all niggas up, man. Oh, I got one arm. Get the other one. Oh, fuck, no.
I shut the camera off, and we were like wrestling for like a good 5 minutes. You still didn't get him handcuffed.
You give me the key, I'll do it.
I'm not handcuffing myself to this nigga.
I'm gonna torture you. I'm gonna torture you like you tortured me.
You good fucking luck, nigga. You can't even handcuff me.
A few moments later.
Fuck, you didn't even handcuff it to the right hand. How are we gonna walk like this, idiot?
Alright, let's do this.
I'm pulling up to the front. So you want to hop in?
How, nigga? Get back, bro. I can't.
God, are you mad?
I would at least fucking put it on this hand.
You weak ass bitch. Take a 300-pound kid and a grown man to handcuff me.
Wait, repeat that?
300-pound boy.
I'm 280, bro.
Fuck out the car, nigga.
This is mad weird. What am I doing?
What?
What? Nigga, chill.
I would embarrass the fuck out of
Nigga,
you.
the fuck
Wanna
out.
make a scene?
Alright, chill. Can we really get out of this thing?
Yeah, word, because this shit hurts.
Bro, this shit getting tighter and tighter and tighter.
I'll throw it and you go find it, alright? Just throw it?
You think it's up? Oh my fucking.
No, it's not up there.
Yeah, it has to be. It literally hit there.
For real.
It literally went on top.
Oh my god, guys. I literally found the key. It was hiding right here. I moved the pillow and if it dropped and I found it. It's not under here. Huh?
It's on top of it, but I can't get up there because I'm strapped to this.
Bro, I didn't even mean to throw it up there. Because I didn't want to throw it too far. Oh, it's right there. Nah, I'm just kidding. Ow, what the fuck? Why are you kicking them at me?
I need to find this fucking key. Nigga.
Okay, well, it's not over here. It's apparently, it's up there, bro. It's in that box.
We lost our handcuff key. I got something for real. I got something in my crib. But you can do it. Look on YouTube. You can just make a latch and it goes in there like a safety pin. Just look it up on YouTube, bro. I'm doing it for
No, it's really up there. Check my pockets.
Yeah, I'm doing it. You see?
What the f? Yo.
I was suspecting him the whole time. But I feel like,
Ow! Ow!
What do you do?
I get uncuffed first. Yo, what the?
Nigga, give me the fucking key. Nigga, give me the fucking key.
Yeah. Look at it go in there. Look at it go in there.
You doing good, bro?
That's crack. Oh, that's crack. Oh, he broke his leg. Look at this old ass bitch right here. Oh.